video we are going to talk about the Python classes. Python so promotes, or you can say it incorporates the features of the object-oriented programming. Because from the last 20 years, object-oriented programmings like the C++, Java, Visual Basic .NET, ASP.NET, they have proved their worth. C Sharp also, I cannot forget it, that they have proved their worth so elegantly that we cannot stay away from its feature, because they have given a very beautiful picture of the programming, how you can zoom complexity into small segments in the form of the objects. So the Python also promotes this kind of features. So here in this program we are going to discuss about Python classes. Let me create one Python class. So syntax goes like class, and then here okay, so class dog. So suppose my dog have a name, so it's a name equals German Shepherd, and its age is 10 years, so I'll write 10. Now I simply create one object and see dg equals dog, and just call print dg dot name and print dg dot age. So if you just run it, you will find, so the name and age, these are the two variables of the class dog. And now if you want to change those names, suppose here when I create the object, it means the name and the age of the dog class has, for this dg, it has been initialized. But suppose later if I want to change it, then how can I access those memory variable? It's called dg dot name equal to Indian hound, and I can write here dg dot age equal to 5. So now this dg dot name have got its name and age property changed. So now say it is showing this one. So this is the basic feature of the Python object and Python class. So in the next video we'll take another example, and I'll try to make it more better way and better look of the program. Thank you very much. Subscribe to our channel. Dear friends, we are going to discuss about the Armstrong number. Armstrong number is a special kind of number where the sum of the cubes of the digit, like sum of the cubes of the digit of a number is the number itself. This is how it's defined. Like just let me see and then I'll explain. First we create a class. It is a class called Armstrong. So I need a def space underscore underscore init underscore underscore self comma n. So my program will be receiving a number n, and so this is self dot n equal to n. Oh my god, self dot n equal to n. So self dot n equal to, now I just go for my def Armstrong number. This is my function's name. Then there I have to make some mechanism, like I just write x equals self dot n self dot n. I'm storing this number into this digit. Okay, now I have to separate the digit. So while x greater than 0, and there I declare a variable sum equals 0, while greater than 0 dig equal to x modular 10, and this is the number, so x modular 10 will give you the remainder. So now sum equals sum plus dig into dig into dig, and x equal to x by 10. I have to make it int x equal to int x divided by 10. After that, when it is done, we'll go out of the loop and then we'll check whether this number, whether if sum equal to self dot n return self dot n, else return 0. Now we create the object AR equal Armstrong, and I pass a number 123, and it says that if or write x equal to or ans equal to ar dot show ar dot arm, then if ans not equal to 0, then print ans. Now let's see, it's really very weird program I have written, but fine, every programmer has to write some weird programs sometimes. I write here int x by 10. How it is it okay? Let's see. Oh, so it did not write. So now we do not know, do you which number is Armstrong number? Which number is Armstrong number?
153.
153 is Armstrong number. This I just checked it out. 153 is the Armstrong number. Check it out. Yes, it is printing. 153 is printing. Now I think that's sufficient. If you want me to explain what is the Armstrong number, I need the help of Paint. This is my dashboard. So Armstrong number is a number like 153 if 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube. If sum of this is the number itself, then these numbers are called as Armstrong number. Okay, clear? Now I just don't save, I just finish it here. And you can, what do you think, you want more expressions or more explanations, then you can write the comment line, and in the next video we are going to do something different. So keep on watching and keep on practicing. Friends, in this video we're going to talk about obtaining the Fibonacci numbers or the series of Fibonacci numbers, and we'll using the Python class. So we'll take a class Fibonacci. Now, yes, I hope you can see it nicely. Yes, so I just create one functions for initialize the variable init underscore underscore and self, and I take the n. So user will enter this number, and that many Fibonacci series program will have to print. So it is just like self dot n equals n. Okay, then Fibonacci register, it has to be printed, so I just print. So def show, it is show here, but it will print only. Then I'll take variable like a equals 0, and then b equal to 0. Then I take one more variable c, but I don't need right now. I'll say x equal range 2 comma self dot n. So now for I in x will say c equals a plus b, and here you set the b as 1. Then print c, and then you write a value will have b's value will be stored into a, and this b's value will be stored into c. This will keep on happening. I think this is done. So now let's see. Fib equal Fibonacci. I pass number 10 Fibonacci series I want to print. Then fib dot show, and now let's run it. So yes, 1 2 3 3 to 5 5 3 8 8 5 13. So yeah, this is doing fantastically well. So now if you want to see the code, then you can find to our, from our like the website. I'll just upload the code there, or if it's not a very big code, so you can see from here. You halt your screen for sometimes, and you can see this is all. And in the next video we'll go and discuss another example, but just look at the feel of the classes. Thank you very much. Just stay tuned and watch the next video.